Welcome back. Second phase of polio eradication program began from Health Minister Lakshmikant Pasikar's constituency from Sunday. It will be carried in all 614 polio booths across the state. Health Minister has appealed parents of 0 to 5-year kids not to miss Do Bund Zindagi Ke.
Second phase of polio eradication program began from Sunday at Harmal. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar inaugurated the program. This is the first time that the program has been started from a village. The program will be held till Wednesday in all 614 polio booths, including mobile polio booths and transitors at railway station and airport.
आमकां देश पोलियो मुक्त करूंक जाय. गोंयचो म्हणून आमी विचार करता आसतना गोंय पोलियो मुक्त करूंक जाय. सादारणपणे गेल्या 10 वर्षांत म्हाका दिसता गोव्यात पोलियो 99 पासून गोव्यात तशी पोलियोची एक सुद्धा केस मेळूंक ना. हे आरोग्य खात्याचें यश आसा अशें हांव म्हणन. आज सगळी कडेन पालकांक हांव आवाहन करता की खंय नजर चुकीन जर आजच्या दिसांत कोणाक डोस घालपाचो उरलो जाल्यार फाल्यां आनी परवां अशी आरोग्य खात्याची वेवस्था आसतली आनी सगळ्यांनीच 5 वर्सां वयोगटाच्या भुरग्यांक डोस घालून घेवचे.
Last year, around 1,20,000 children were administered polio dose. This year, the health department is aiming at higher number.
Here, the vaccine virus is given to the patient, given to the child, and moment this vaccine virus is excreted, there is more vaccine virus all over, and because of this, the wild polio virus, the chances of getting affected by wild polio virus reduces.
A reporter from Penne, Vinod Mithar.
One of the NGOs under the cause of spreading social message has damaged the trees in Vasco. Locals claim that the trees are since Portuguese times and are preserved by the Vascocars. They have demanded a strict action against the environmental lawbreakers.
Have a look. What message is this NGO's act giving? This is Swatantrapad Street at Vasco. Advertising metal posters are being nailed on the trees, giving a social message. Metal poster has names of National AIDS Control Society, Rural Health Mission and PHSI. Vascocars are upset with this act by the NGO. They have demanded strict action.
ह्या ताणें कोंडोमाचें एडवर्टिजमेंट केल्लें आसा. सरकारान ऑलरेडी हें केल्लें आसा की हेचेर बोर्ड बी कांय मारची न्ही, एडवर्टिजमेंट करची न्ही. थोडे कोण पेन नंबराचे बोर्ड मारता आनी कितें बोर्ड सगळे बोर्ड झाडांचेर मारतात हांगा. एडवर्टिजमेंट करपा जाता पूण बाकीचे उपाय आसा बाकीचे न्ही कितें लायतलो जाल्यार तेका तेंच्यांनी बॅनर करून लावपा जाता आनी कितें करपा जाता. पूण हे अशें खिळे मारप आनी हे एडवर्टिजमेंट करप म्हणजे फुकट सगळें कामां करून घेवप.
वास्को आमचे सोबीत आनी सुंदर अशें नटलेलें आसा. स्वातंत्र्यपद रस्तो अशोका झाडांनी आमच्या सजलेलो आसा. नॅशनल एजन्सीज अश्यो आसा की रुरल हेल्थ सेंटर आनी नॅशनल एजन्सी मिशन हेंच्यांनी ह्या झाडांक कंडोम्स एडवर्टायझिंगाचे बोर्ड लायिल्ले आसा, खिळे मारून लायिल्ले आसा, जेणे करून ही झाडां दुखावली गेली आसा. सरकार म्हणटा की आमचे सरकार हे पर्यावरण प्रेमी आसतले. सरकार ह्या एजन्सीचेर एक्शन घेतलो काय कितें? वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Feast of Jesus of Nazareth was celebrated with great fervour in Siridao. Every year, people from different parts of the state pay a visit to this place, mainly to have pears. This feast is also known as Pejache Fest. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and San Andre MLA Vishnu Vag participated in the celebration. But do we know why the pears or kanji is served to the people after the Eucharistic celebration? Let's have a look.
Jesus Nazareth feast is celebrated in Shiridao every year, and what is more important here is the people are served with pears. We don't know the significance why they are being served with pears, so we are here in this area to ask these people why this pears is being prepared.
तेका ते आंगोड जावपाचे आहले पण तेका ते दिवपाचे आहले पण तेका ते कितें तरी जाल्ले तेजे पण ते दिवपाचे केले ते. हय
आता कोणे ते
डेम्पो हय.
And this is for those people who do not know how to prepare pears. तुम्ही pears कशी करता?
अभी मोडके भरता हे उदकाच्यो खतखत काडटा, तांदूळ घालता, धुयता आनी मेजून घालप. अमके कुडो घालपाचे आसता तितून ते घालता मागीर मेजून.
एप्रॉक्सिमेटली कितल्या लोकांक म्हणून तुम्ही pears करताय?
अमकोच लोक म्हणून ना
घेता 10 रुपयांचो
तोरां काडून हाडटा भाटांची आनी सुरो करून दवरता.
भाटकार म्हणल्यार आतां देंप्याची
तोरां काडून हाडटा, सुरो करता, मीठ लायता, धुयता, मीठ लायता आनी अशें लोकांक दवरता पेज दितना.
त्यो शिऱ्यो लोक घेवन वयता काय ते भायले पिकलूच घेता?
ते आमी दवरता त्यो आनी ते मागीर कितें पेज घेतना ते दितात आमी.
आता खूप वर्सां जाली हिंगा तुम्ही पेज विकता.
म्हाका कमीत कमी 25 वर्सां जाली. हय.
Let's know more about the significance of these pears here. Let's ask these people if they know about the significance, why this pears is served for them.
So because of तेंचे हे कोण आते परंपरा.
हय. आदले कोण आसले न्हू तेंचे शेपा शमाय त्या प्रमाणे ते वाडटा पेज हिंगा आनी ते सदां काल दिवपाची अशी थारायलेली तेणें.
कोणी ती खबर हा?
डेंपो भाटकार. हय.
प्रॉपर्टी हा म्हणून पेज म्हणटा काय कित्याक लागून?
तेजे कितें आहा हे आपणा भाट चलयता म्हणून ताका कितें रेंट फारीक करपाक लागून तो ते पेज दिता.
कितले धेंपे फॅमिलीचे वतीन लोकांक ही पेज जेवयतात. लोक हांगा येतात, कितलेशे हजारांनी लोक येतात आनी पेज जेवतात. हितून हिंदू आसतात, तशे क्रिस्तांव आसतात, सगळे धर्माचे लोक हांगा आसता. आनी म्हाका दिसता की हो एक युनीक अशें एग्जाम्पल हे सर्व धर्म संभावाचें की आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एक देख घालून दिल्या की हिंदू भाव आनी क्रिस्तांव भाव हे दोगूय वांगडा जावन हांगा सगळे उत्सव सेलिब्रेट करतात. हेजो म्हाका अभिमान.
You are coming for the first time here for the feast?
Obviously.
Yeah, so you're going to taste the pears and all?
After a long time.
Yeah, so you know the history behind it?
Somewhat.
Okay. So as we know now, the Dempos had come for the mass, and as their wishes were fulfilled, they had promised to serve these pears to thousands of people as the blessings from God. I am Greta Menezes with reporter Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Government will finalize financial consultant for Mopa International Airport in next 20 days. PPP Director Anand Sherkane informed that 5 companies have applied for tender form of financial consultant. Final draft master plan for Mopa Airport will be prepared in screening committee meeting scheduled on 23rd April.
Meeting of Mopa International Airport Screening Committee is scheduled on 23rd April. PPP Director Anand Sherkane informed that committee will prepare final draft master plan of Mopa Airport in this meeting. Consultants will submit their time schedule for work of Mopa Airport in this meeting. The land acquisition process for this greenfield airport is in final stage. Government had floated tender for financial consultant for airport. Government has received application from 5 companies for financial consultancy: KPMG, Deloitte Touch, Tohamatsu India Private Limited, PricewaterhouseCooper, John Lang LaSalle, and Ernst and Young. Sherkane further said that financial consultant will be finalized within 20 days. This financial consultant will submit the report on actual cost of airport expenditure, mode of revenue generation, and for how many years state would lease the airport to the private company. Our reporter from Porvorim, Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.